Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable poofy bubble 4th of July deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch deco mesh, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is layer my mesh. I'm going to have the striped mesh on top and the solid blue on the bottom. And I'm going to fold it to a nice little point. And I'm going to start on my inner ring and tie my mesh in a knot. And tug just to make sure it's nice and secure. And you don't have to worry about the excess mesh. It's not going to be visible once we complete our wreath. So then the first thing I'm going to do is make a poof in my first inner space. Now the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. Make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be, but just make them as uniform as possible. So I've made my first poof. I'm going to come to the second space and make my second poof. And then my third one. Just like that. And then I'm going to scrunch my mesh. Twist it a couple of times. And come back to my starting space and repeat the steps one more time. I usually like to go with 2 rows of mesh in each section, but you could definitely go with more if you choose to do so, but 2 makes a pretty decent sized wreath. So I'm just making one more poof here, just like that. So cute already. And now I'm going to twist my mesh, and now I'm going to hop over to the next section and make 3 poofs here as well. And I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my wreath. Usually 2 rows of mesh covers 3 sections, which is about half of the wreath. So 4 rows for the size that I make usually gets the job done. Alright, I'm going to continue on and show you what it's looking like. And as I come to the end of my mesh, I'm just going to cut them off of the roll. To twist, twist, twist. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot. Just like that. And then tuck it away. I'm just going to start over where I left off with 2 more rolls of mesh. I'm going to tie it in a knot. And again, don't worry, these knots will not be visible once you complete the wreath. And then just continue on, making my poofs all the way around the ring. Again, when I come to the end of my mesh, I'm just going to cut it off, tie it in a knot, and tuck it away. Alright, it looks so cute and precious already. You could separate the layers. I do that sometimes where you just kind of pull it apart like that, or you can keep it layered. I think for this specific wreath, I'm going to keep it layered just because it looks so cute and precious, and I love that you can kind of see the stripes. So it just looks so fun and perfect for the 4th of July. But again, you could add in any additional embellishments. You can add in stars, ribbons, bows, an adorable sign to the center. Whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.